Hello everyone, I'm back. My name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Look, I didn't even get a chance to change my clothes. I got another delivery in and I wanted to share it with you, making sure that I give you timely information. So, the November Glam Bag X. How about that? Okay. So, for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY's Glam Bag X, I'll leave all the details down below for this one, as well as all the other tiers that are included with IPSY. Okay, so let's just jump right in and see what's in this month's X. All right, so the first thing, of course, we open, oh, that's a nice picture. All right, is our issue number 8 of their Spotlight magazine. Okay, or newspaper, whichever you choose to call it. All right, and this month's box was curated by Becky G. Okay, that's actually a nice picture of her. My mother would be so disappointed if I did that. Okay, so let's just check out some of the information that is in this newsletter. All right, and of course she says, welcome to mi familia. Okay, Becky G is coloring outside the lines. Makeup has always made her feel powerful, like putting on a superhero cape. She says, I hope my Glam Bag X makes you feel the energy too. Okay, and let's just see what's in here. She says, these are a few of my favorite things. Okay, before we jump in, IPSY does not include a description card. Inside of the magazine will be each of the items that I received. But right now, since I just got it, and I'm bringing it to you, I'm going to have to refer back to my computer so that I can get the information from there, which will keep this video from being too long. How about that? All right, so the first item that I have is Herbivore Pink Cloud, and it says this is the soft moisture cream, and this is what that item, well, that packaging looks like, and it says formulated with super hydrating tremolo mushroom and vegan squalene, this moisturizer helps support a healthy skin barrier, okay? And leaves your skin feeling soft and plump with a natural dewy finish. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $44. Now this one has a 12-month shelf life, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Now it says, say hello to Pink Cloud. Massage into your skin after cleansing and applying serum. Use AM or PM. So this is the first item that we received, and it is definitely a cruelty-free product. All right, I really do want to open it and smell it, but I have so many moisturizers open, and I'm currently using one that I got, and this one is supposed to enhance your skin overnight, but I'll fill you in on that one soon. All right, so this is item number 1. Then the next item that I received is by Kate Somerville, and this is the Delicate, okay, nice play on words, Soothing Cleanser. All right, and this is what the outer packaging looks like, and it says, not only does this cleanser leave your skin clean and happy, not stripped, it also uses a combo of ceramides, ginger root extract, and fruit extract to help revive and calm irritated skin, and it relieves redness. Okay, now this is a 4-ounce size, And it says, I use this cleanser in the clinic when a client's skin is completely stressed or we've done a peel. If you've got compromised skin, this will help calm irritation while cleansing. Okay, and it does say that it is fragrance free, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $44. Okay, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. Okay. Wow, this is crazy. I just received this very same product in my BoxyCharm box. So I'm going to pull that one so we don't open this one in case we need to put it into a giveaway. This is the Sculpt Lift Bar, and this is 24 karat gold. Now, I'm going to just let you know right up front, it is gold plated, okay? It says, get all the benefits of a facial massage without all the elbow grease. Work the massage wand over your skin and let the pulsating vibrations help tone and contour your face and soothe puffiness, okay? Now, here's the thing. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this item right here is $125. Okay, so that's this one. I'm going to put it to the side and I'm going to pull out my other one. So we can see. Now, I do love this packaging, which is what I said before, because it is that magnetic closure. All right. It does come with a carrying case, so you don't have to necessarily leave it in the box, which I like. And this is what it looks like. It needs a AA battery, which it does not come with, but like I said, because this one was from the other box, I already put one in so we could try it out. Can you hear that? All right, it's great. I tried it out earlier. Okay, and it's nice and cool to the touch. And the pulsating seems to be really, really high. It does not have levels. It's either on or off. It's not slight to full on power, but I do like this very much. Okay, now I'll tell you, the packaging isn't bad either way, you know, if you wanted to keep it inside of this as well. Okay, so this one is item number 3, which will most likely go into a giveaway, unless of course my mother wants it. Okay, the next item that we have is by Deluxe. All right, and this one is a liquid lip tint. Take on the day with this award-winning lip tint. The moisturizing formula, thanks to hyaluronic acid and glycerin, leaves behind a bold burst of dewy deep red that's ultra comfortable and long lasting. Okay, now it says this is a 3.2 milliliter size, which is actually the equivalent of 0.1 fluid ounces. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. When we open it up, it says this one has a 6-month shelf life as well, and it is not tested on animals. But let me tell you something, this shade is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, I'll tell you the truth, I'm really almost tempted to take this lipstick off, but we'll just go ahead and swatch it for now. Very nice. And remember, it's a tint, not a lipstick, so it's not heavy with the shade. It is beautiful. Look at that. Okay. All right, what you think? It almost looks like a blood red, that good one with the blue undertones. I really like that. All right, so the next item that we have, oh, this is a scent. All right, this one is by Penrose. It's called Secret Genius Whisper Sweet Nothings. All right, and it says it's an eau de parfum. Douse yourself in this delectably indulgent scent for our gourmand lovers. Notes of rich caramel and vanilla are complemented with blooming bergamot and fresh mandarin for a finish that's sophisticatedly sweet. Okay? All right, I'm here for it. It says it's seductive, comforting, and clever. And it says this, as well as all Primrose products, are clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. Okay? Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $60, and this one is a 30 milliliter size. It says it has a 36-month shelf life. And I do have another one of Penrose's scents or perfumes. So let's just spray a little bit and see how it smells. Now I do keep these on hand so we can spray on to them. Oh my God. Woo! Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. Okay, I can get with this because it does not smell like a bouquet of 12 different types of flowers. It doesn't have that smell. This is very pleasant. Very pleasant. Oh, I like this. I'll add it to my perfume collection. One of these days, I'll show you what it looks like on my curio of all the different perfumes that I have. Okay, so this is item number 5. Okay, so the next item that we have, no, this is not a repeat in the same box. It's by the same brand, but it's a different product. This is by Treslúce Beauty, and this is the Lips Be Like Plumping Lip Gloss in Luscious. Okay, your lips will be left luscious with one swipe of this gloss from Treslúce Beauty. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, tripeptides, and vitamin E to deliver fuller, softer lips with a non-sticky, lightweight feeling. Okay, this is a 0.17 fluid ounce size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $16. And this one is another vegan and cruelty-free product. Okay, it has a 12-month shelf life as well. Now let's see what Luscious looks like. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, so shall we swatch this one? All right, so we have a tint, which is what we received first, and now this one is actually a lip gloss. All right. Oh, okay. It's not quite sheer, but look at that. What do you think? Not bad at all. Okay, so let's keep going. The next item we have is by Avant, and this is the Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Seawater Shea Butter. Okay, it says it's the ultimate hyaluronic acid resurfacing duo moisturizer. Okay, and it says fight free lines and signs of aging with the help of this heavy lifting moisturizer. It uses hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and sweet almond oil to help lessen the look of wrinkles and fine lines and add instant luminosity. Okay, that's a lot of claims. This one is also cruelty-free. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a 1.69 fluid ounce size with a manufacturer suggested retail price of $119. Boy, my skin better look absolutely flawless between this and that sculpting bar. Ooh, yeah, we better look like God just kissed us himself. All right. Whew. 12-month shelf life. Very good. You know, we're not opening it yet. At $119, we're getting every single drop we can squeeze out of this container. Every drop. You hear me? Just in case you didn't. I said every drop. All right. So that's the next one. Wow. Okay, we are finally at the last item in this box. This Glam Bag X was pretty nice. So what we have is by Too Faced. I love their packaging. It's always beautiful. And this is the Sweet Peach Eyeshadow Palette. Okay. Now, it says smell the peaches. No, literally. It's peach scented. All right, in this 18 color eyeshadow palette that features versatile neutrals, peachy pinks, beautiful bronzes, and plum colored purples that you can mix and match to make endless eye looks. Okay, it is an 18 pan size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $49. Okay, boy, based on what's on the back, these shades are going to be gorgeous. Okay, now, oh, that peach scent is hitting right off the bat, boy. Oh, that smells nice. Okay, so let's look at the palette. Now, of course, it does come with a mirror. So let me show you the shades in this Sweet Peach palette. Okay, what do you think? All right. These are the shades that we're going to swatch. So here we go. All right, now from the top, we have Just Peachy. Then the next one is Delectable, then Bellini, and then Candied Peach is what's on the bottom. Okay, I told y'all one of these days I'm really going to be able to swatch like I should. Can you see them clearly? Okay, not bad at all. So that's this one right here. So let me ask you, what do you think? All right, I happen to love absolutely everything that was in this box this month. Okay, my sidekick just walked in. Oh, yeah, she just gave me the thumbs up on that scent. Oh, that smells so nice. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you feel about the Glam Bag X. If you don't get it, would this make you get it? So nonetheless, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our IPSY Glam Bag X for the month of November. These are the items that were included in this box, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. All right, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.